Hey BHS, we're in the guest bathroom right here, and you can see I got these two lovely dogs with me, Petrie and Possum. Mrs. Hall is filming behind the screen. You'll see her in an upcoming video. But today we have a little bath that we have to take, put Petrie in. With the nice weather, he likes to go out and find dried up worms and roll in them, and doesn't exactly smell very good. So he's going to get his first bath. Using a little Burt's Bees shampoo and conditioner. Yep. Nothing like the smell of worms. So we're trying to get that off him. Get a little towel off.
Where'd he go?
There he is. He's probably not going to speak to me for a week. We don't do this very often.
Hi, guys.
Actually, this is Petrie's first bath. Get a big shake. Good boy. Ready?
Yep.
Now for the big shake.
Oh, shit.
Over the spring break, no break week, my nephew Bennett turned 11 years old. We pulled together another two-car parade, but this time complete with music, balloons, and candy. I was able to get back outside and continue one of the projects I began in our first video, a new fire pit for the backyard. Stay tuned for next week's T-Hall at Home video, where Mrs. Hall will join me for some practical car maintenance tips you should all know about.
Yep. I've been taping.
Okay, with the... Stop! Stop!